him to you must confess it.
I can't ask him to be less than he is.
And I'll talk. If the children don't sing at the festival,
He's too tired.
typically yes, neither.
Oh, you're done?